Hi, and welcome to Takeoff Landing. This is going to be a super quick review about the DJI Neo drone. If you're interested in the unboxing part, it's timestamp and you can skip over. You can buy the bundle with the goggles and the controller. It comes with a Fly More packet, which has these three batteries. With each of these batteries, you can fly up to 30 minutes. You can fly the drone with or without the goggle. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to fly the drone without any cell phone, without any smartphone, and also without the goggles. Only using the drone and of course the battery on top.
What I need to do is I have to take out this part, which is the cover for your camera. Then I have to turn the device on. That's it. As you can see, we have 6 different modes.
Drone, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow.
That's the one that I need. Okay, what do I need to do? I just put it on my hand, hold it for 3 seconds.
Close, follow, 3, 2, 1.
That's it. So it's looking at me right now. Okay, so as you can see, it's alright if it gets hit. Alright. All right, that's it.
Now that you watched that, let's see how does it look like? How does it feel like to fly the drone with the goggles?
How does it work? You have a button here, you press it once and then you hold. That's it. And it's going to connect. Gets connected. The next thing, you're going to do the same thing with the controller. One and then hold. It's on and connected right now. Let's put this on. Antennas, start the drone. Just turn it on. So I'm controlling the drone right now. Okay, coming back. And landing.
So now you might be wondering, how does the whole set weigh? I have a scale here with me. So the drone itself, without the battery, weighs as 94 grams. The drone with the battery weighed exactly 139 on my scale. It should be 138, meaning the battery itself weighs at 45 grams. The battery pack with 3 batteries inside, it weighs 206 grams. So basically, let's say you're going out with the drone and the battery pack. What you have is 200 grams of the battery and 100 grams of the drone. These together, 300 grams is like nothing. The goggle weighs 544 grams. And the controller is 120 grams. So inside the box, there was no bag coming with the drone, so you need to have your setup for yourself. There are some interesting bags on the Amazon I saw that they're super, super low-key. They are stealth kind of, and there's a small one actually only for the drone, which raises actually no attention. I would like to have that in my bag. I'm not sure about the legislations in the US or other countries, but in Europe you definitely need a license and also a registration for your drone. Basically, you have two different codes. Basically, it looks like this. And you need the other part. It's kind of a license for your drone that you have to put it on your drone the whole time. I have 3 of them because I have 3 batteries. I'm going to put them on each of these batteries. Okay, now the price. The drone itself comes at $160 or 169 euros in Amazon Germany, and the whole set was $500. If you just want a couple of drone shots on your shooting, or you're just going out, picnic, walk, hike, and you don't need any goggles or controllers, as a selfie drone, as a selfie camera, this is awesome. This is really, really well built. Flies very fast. Flies very controlled and stable. I wouldn't fly this whenever it's raining outside. If it's foggy, it's super cloudy. If it's dark, I wouldn't use this. I would only use this if this is something between 40 degrees Celsius. If the weather is nice, and if you are not in a crowded area, because you are not allowed to fly over a mass of people. You have to be careful about it. So what do I think of it? I'm going to keep this. So I love it. I really love this. This is fast. You saw how you can fly this over your hand and it just lands on your hand. It's quick. The resolution is very nice. 4K, 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second, full HD. Let's unbox this bad boy. So we got the drone itself. Goggles, of course. All right, so basically that's everything that you get. Yeah, you get a drone, to like 1.5 iPhone 11s, or maybe two iPhone 11s. I'm going to dive deeper and do a couple of shots outside. The reason that I haven't done this is because of the rain and the bad weather in Hamburg nowadays. All right, so see you in the next one. Bye-bye.